All right, tonight is the night we start that floor. We're going to continue into the hall. And see, we did it in that bedroom, and that bedroom. All have the same flooring. That flooring is now going to be in the hallway. The bathroom, we're going to leave the tile. This laundry room, we're going to leave the tile. So this area here, all is going to get torn out. I will give you guys insight as to how to put this stuff down. And it's a luxury vinyl flooring from Lowe's. So the first step, we're going to take out all the carpet and the tack strips. So of course there's going to be tack strips all around, and that's kind of annoying. The dogs are going crazy. So we just take out the tack strips, cut up the pieces of carpet so that it's manageable, and then basically that's it. Okay, I'm going to use my 2-foot straight edge, and I'm just going to carefully connect the dots here. Now I don't try to cut this in one, obviously, pass. It's just too thick. So do it in multiple passes and you'll get better results. And the tack strips are just crazy strong too. All right, now with it, you can just kind of lift it up and just kind of slice it away right on that line. It should cut pretty easily. And then clean up all this stuff because it just gets in the way. And watch the tack strips, they're lethal. All right, we're done with the straight edge. So at this point, we're just going to mark out roughly, 4-foot sections and cut. Definitely one of the most rewarding things is to get rid of old carpet. One section. One of the toughest parts about this job is just finding room to put the trash, the old carpet, because the stuff just starts to add up, and before you know it, you got one. Oh, hey puppy, Camry, what are you doing? What are you doing?
That help?
Yeah, cut it.
But you want to know the best way of doing it?
No, yeah. I don't know the best way. I'm just...
Oh, good job. That's rolling really tight. Okay, I'll flip it from this side. Oh, but it's curved over. And I'll figure out a way. I'll just pull.
So now we can look at it. I think this guy has...
You need a hammer to pull out nails? Oh, wow, that's a lot of staples.
Yeah.
They want add it.
just gonna push down. So, look at this. I'm gonna show the camera this. So this thing's rolled over, and look at all these staple. I mean, that's crazy. So they basically just hit that with every inch and a half. I mean, oh my gosh, that's fierce. So we'll roll it in. Nails first. Careful not to squeeze too tight.
It's not changing. 2005. Yeah, that's what I said. It's a long time ago, Mom. So the carpet was only 3 years old when Grayson was born?
It's the receipt we just saw, or the tag for the carpet. Isn't that funny? Grayson, just peel it away from the staples, and then we'll come back and get the staples after.
I think I just hammered out all the staples with that thing. I'll put it here.
Sure, yeah.
I'm supposed to go and stretch my down, but I'm Did I even get the staples? Darn it, I didn't get the staples. Oh, shucks. Okay, hammering time.
That's a lot of staples to remove.
I got one. Got two.
That's here.
Wait, no, I didn't get that. Try again. Got three.
Nice. If you've been following my channel, you know that I got this DeWalt nail puller from that great tool haul, and I'm going to use it for the first time and see if it works. Cold chisel works great to get these staples out, but you can also use a scraper that you can stand up and use. Either way, it's a pain to get these out. It's not, there's nothing else you can do about it. It's just, you gotta do it, go to work. And we'll see how it works. As you're doing this, you want to go through the floor and you want to see if there's any high nails. And if there's any high nails, you want to make sure you get them out, because these are going to interfere with the flooring. And if you need a heavier hammer, you need to use a heavier hammer, because sometimes the little ones aren't going to do it. Sounds, there's echo. Crazy. Alright, so now.
Just by removing a bunch of carpet, it already has an echo.
So you can see how I do that. I just push it right at the staple, and it just lifts it right up with the. I don't know where the staple is. I just know it's stopping, and it'll just go like that. side up. You're going right next to the nail, right? Right next. This is two nails right next to each other, so it makes it a little harder. Go right next to it. Because there's two. You got to really both sides, and then just the way down.
Hey, can I go hammer the thing now?
Oh, and then right here, what we'll do is we'll split it. We'll just do that.
So, in the time it took you to do that, it would have taken him to do one.
Okay, I'm gonna go hammer the rest of the nails, okay?
You're learning.
I did that one.
So it's high nails. So we're going to hammer those in.
Yep.
And you know what else we have to do? Find the squeaks in the floor, and we're going to drive some screws down so we don't have the squeaky floor.
Okay. Oh, there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
lots of places.
Okay.
You can use this heavier one if you want to as well. It's a little bit bigger. The head's a little bit bigger, and it's a heavier hammer,
So it has more
so
force.
you'll get a little bit more force out of it.
Okay, those ones are done.
Although I love these little trim hammers. Wait, now, didn't I just leave? And you... What?
It's taking me forever. Like, let's
Okay.
just forget it.
Let's figure out a better way here, Katie.
Oh, can I try? This is fun.
Maybe...
We're gonna be here till midnight.
No, you're going to be here till midnight.
Yeah, I have an assignment.
I'm going to be... Well, I don't think
You're gonna be awake. because
I'm not
it's
going
so
to be
loud.
sleeping. It's going to be too loud. Yeah. And then this guy here, I would push it from this side.
Oh.
Maybe try.
Oh
Well,
my god, so many nails. There's in my English number.
here, watch this, kid.
Pull down like 2 nails. Easily.
So
Just pull up another nail.
I want to go right next to this. I want to go next to this one. And then just pry it. Next to this one. Pry it. And this one's, there's 2 there, so I'm going to go next to the first one. Tell you, taking out tack strip, I mean, it's, although it may seem easy to some people, it's just not. Actually, I find this tool, this little wonder bar, probably be the best way.
Hey Dad, look it. They left us something here. Underneath one of those strips.
Some brads. Like the little 18 gauge brads. Wonder why they had brads. Oh, from probably the face part. That vacuum is not the right vacuum for this job, but that's okay. It works great. I need to put the bigger hose on it, and it's got a small bag, and they're expensive bags. I don't like to use these for this type of work, especially with that small hose. You got to put the bigger hose on it and use a floor adapter.